Yep. Hi guys, how you are doing? Hope you are doing well. Yeah, today the climate is too good. Check it out. Like it is looking like cloudy, but not the rain and all. So today we are gonna see. Let's see. Nissan Patrol dicky. I'll show you. Yeah, here it is. See, I have lots of dicky here. Yeah, check this out, guys. I'm having mostly white, but black, silver, uh, silver and golden color also is there. Actually, I'm having not here alone. I'm having there also. I'll show you. Yeah, wait, I'll show you. These all the fenders. Today we will see about only the dicky alone. Yeah, check. It's white, silver. So this dicky which means tail door. So usually they will tell here dicky only. So tail door, actual name is tail door. So without glass and all, empty. Okay, I'm having empty only. So check this out. No dents and all, no repairs and all. All are in good condition. Check it out. All are in good condition. Yeah, check. See, Patrol. All are in good condition. The price comparison. Now we will move on to price comparison. The price I'm giving this for 250. Okay, empty. 250 I am giving. If you check the market price, it will be 400. So I'm giving only 250 dirhams. Yeah, check this out. Here it will be written Nissan. Yeah, so this is original, clarified. So yeah, check this out, guys. No repair and all. Totally clean piece. Yes, check this out. You check the market price also. I'm giving this for 250 means you check the market price. This is 400 in the market price. Here the Nissan is there. Let's check. All are in good condition, guys. Yeah, here I'm having, see, I'm having with the tail lamp, tail door lamp. Check it. Like in the body, one will come. Like totally stop lights are for this Nissan Patrol is 4. 2 in the tail door, 2 in the body. So this is tail door lamp. So this is platinum, Nissan Patrol platinum. Check this logo, guys. Seriously awesome. Like here, most probably in UAE, they'll put this logo for mostly, especially for Nissan Patrol. Okay, guys, you have seen the prices and comparison in the markets. So you guys now know the market price and my price. So if you wanna take this means, just I'll give my contact number in the description, and in the end of the video it will pop up. So contact me via WhatsApp or call, no problem. And the delivery option is there. If you are from far away means I can deliver this too. Seriously, guys, I have been here for the past 6 months. I have never seen like this climate before, because you guys always know that here in UAE, most probably those who are staying here, we are facing the summer summer at 42 degree, 43 degree, like that only we are facing here. But check this out. Wow, seriously, it's awesome. See you all in the next video. Take care of your health. Subscribe, share, and click the bell icon for the instant updates. Bye bye.